Tent pitch 138, Sherwood Pines, Nottingham. This is just a small overview of the tent pitch we booked for 3 nights, electric, in our tent. Sorry, the description may not be the best. First time uploading a video. This is just a quick overview of our tent and the pitch we had on the site at Sherwood Pines. As you can see, the tent is pitched up against a small woodland area. From the tent area, the path takes you through to the shower and toilet block and the children's play area. This is a quiet little cul-de-sac with a few tents and camper vans and caravans. A one-way system, very child friendly, very quiet. Only issue is due to it being in the forest, there's quite a few midges, but as you can see it's a very small cul-de-sac, nice and quiet. So this is just a small overview of our little pitch where we were. I will shortly upload some more videos, hopefully they will get better with time, and thank you for watching. Many thanks.